Ah! Slip! Slip!
What?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Slip, are you there? I can't hear you, Slip!
Who's burning the city?
What happened to my town? Oh my god! Why is everyone so loud here?
What?
Who invited me to this party? This party sucks! Everything's on fire!
I don't like watching The Wire. What? It's so loud I can't even read that.
This is the worst rave I've ever been to!
I like Jimmy Rave.
You have
He is the crown jewel.
You have AIDS!
What? Do I want to play Old Maid?
You have lemonade! I want some!
I'm not Bobby Spade. Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, somebody else is talking. I can't hear them either.
What?
Why did you take me here?
Where are we?
Where are you?
I'm Love Lisa.
You're Mona Lisa.
What?
Who's this guy?
How much does he weigh?
I don't know if you can tell, but that song earlier was a Disturbed song matched with a shitty Kane song.
What?
I said that song earlier was a Disturbed song mixed with a Kane song.
He's a Hyman?
You had to give him a Heimlich. Are you okay?
Snakes on a plane?
Who is this other guy? Stop inviting people to our party.
He likes Jimmy Rave too.
What's his shirt say?
Tap or snap.
Gay banana. I read.
What?
I read gay banana.
I don't wear bandanas. Or was a fan of announcer Savannah. Or listen to the podcast hosted by Colt Cabana.
You're friends with Colt Cabana?
I don't like Johnny Gargano.
That's stretching it, buddy.
Hurts donut.
Oh my God, there's more. I thought it ended. Shut it!
Lowering music.
Shut Oh my God! Help!
Who suggested this?
Alright, fuck it. I'm lowering this right now. God damn it.
Hold on, they're making out. Oh, that wasn't nice.
Oh my God. Hi, Slip. I can hear you.
What?
I know, it blew my ears out too. What the fuck?
Sonny blew your what?
I don't know. Oh, well, he has fancy menus. Or menu. Like, that's the best part so far.
The best you want to do is whenever you're announcing something on screen is take up 45% of it.
Oh my God, that was fucked. I'm sure you guys can get the point that was loud. At this point in the video, I've lowered the audio so you can at least hear us kinda. But what the fuck, man? I don't like... How could anyone leave their shit that loud?